Hi everyone! In this video we will simplify expressions with fractions and square roots. Simplify the square root of 162 divided by 288. We have two ways we can go about this. We can simplify the fraction within the square root, or we can break it into the square root of the numerator and the square root of the denominator. My preference is always to simplify first because it makes smaller numbers overall, which makes things dramatically easier. So let's go ahead and simplify this fraction. 162 divided by 288 are both divisible by 18, so we can divide the numerator and denominator both by 18. 166 divided by 18 is 9, and 288 divided by 18 is 16. So this fraction now reduced from 162 divided by 288 to 9 over 16. And now we can break this into the square root of the numerator and the square root of the denominator, which we have much smaller numbers, and so it's much nicer. Now we can just do the square root of 9, which is 3, and the square root of 16 is 4. So this simplifies to 3/4. Now some of you may want to see that we can simplify it by square rooting the larger numbers. Again, this isn't as nice, but we can still do it. So let's go ahead and square root the larger numbers, 162, and the square root of 288. The square root of 162, it's not a perfect square, so we're going to have to simplify it by making it 9 times 18 divided by, and the bottom, again, we're looking for square roots, and 288 is the square root of 16 times 18. And so we can then work numerator and denominator this way. So we end up with the square root of 9 times the square root of 18 divided by the square root of 16 times the square root of 18. And since 18 divided by the square root of 18 divided by the square root of 18 cancels, and then we just square root the 9, which gives us a 3, and the square root of 16, which gives us a 4. So either way, you will end up with the same answer, but I do recommend simplifying your fraction beforehand because it'll just save you a few steps. And we're all done.